สวัสดีค่ะ and today we'll be looking at another Thai joke that I found very interesting, very funny. ว่ายน้ำ let me read everything first. ว่ายน้ำท่าอะไรต้องใส่หมวกกันน็อกถ้าจะบ้า so let's break it down. ว่ายน้ำ means to swim. ท่าอะไรท่า means what style ท่า is style. So there are 4 ways to and arai is what. There are 4 ways to swim. Like if you go learn swimming, there are first takop, the frog style, right? And then ta freestyle. Next is ta ผีเสื้อ the butterfly. ผีเสื้อ is butterfly. Next is ท่ากันเชียง ท่ากันเชียง is when you go at the backstroke. I think it's called backstroke in English. So ว่ายน้ำท่าอะไร which style is it ท่ากบ or freestyle or ผีเสื้อ or ท่ากันเชียง which you have to put on ต้องใส่ต้อง is to have to must, okay? Must put on a helmet. หมวกกันน็อก is a helmet. Which swimming style must put on helmets? And the answer is ท่าจะบ้า. So here it's a play in word because ท่า means style and ท่าจะ means seems like. Ba is crazy. So seems like crazy. So people that are going to swim with our helmet on, they must be crazy. This is the joke. Here I'll give you the picture of หมวกกันน็อก This is the helmet that you use when you drive a motorbike. หมวก to be precise, หมวก means a hat. กัน is to protect you from knockout. Literally, it's a hat that protects you from knockout.